This program is prepared for the education of DVM installation, made by Home Electric System Appliances Division of Samsung. DVM, the newest cooling and heating system of Samsung, offers variant appliance and efficiency in the offices, hotels, and schools through the improvement of existing cooling system. Installation of Samsung DVM is to understand the suitable installation method. After that, examine other installation methods like indoor interior, other facilities, etc., to make a schematic diagram by each installation. Start the installation with the complete schematic diagram. Work process of the installation of refrigeration pipe is pipe cutting, pipe insulation, and installation. First, cut the pipe by schematic diagram and insulate simultaneously. Cutting should be done with a suitable cutter at right angles. Tighten the pipe cutter slowly to rotate so that deformation may not be made on the cutter tube. Because there are foreign materials at the cut side of the copper tube, remove them to clean the inside of the pipe. After cutting the pipe, close the end with cap and insulation tape, not to be with foreign materials inside the pipe. Insulation materials should be over 3-level in flame retardant, 13 millimeters in thickness, over 20 millimeters in thickness for both heating and cooling. Insert the insulation materials into the pipe, vertical and roll copper tube without break. Wrap the connection part with adhesive insulation panel between two insulation materials to prevent exposing connection part of the copper tube. After cutting an insulation, lay the refrigeration pipes down to look at the locations where they are fixed and installed. Use the saddle, U-type saddle, smaller ones, and circle-type hanger to fix the pipes. Put a 1-meter interval not to let the pipes down. After installation, connect part to the indoor unit must be bent in circle type not to disturb other installations. Use the most suitable materials for the Y joint and let the Y joint be horizontal to install. Care must be taken for safety because welding requires fire. Gas welding license or gas welding training certificates are required for the work. Before welding, replace the nitrogen. Blow the nitrogen into the pipe inside to take out the oxygen to prevent the oxidation inside the copper tube during the welding. After nitrogen replacement, check the oxygen and acetylene or LPG pressure. Be sure to weld at the middle flame state. Specially, the welding rod should be melted by the mother copper tube temperature for sucking the welded material inside. After the finished welding is complete, blow the nitrogen around 1 minute to prevent oxidation inside with the high temperature in the pipe. Oxygen welding only. Blow the nitrogen a little inside the pipe to prevent the oxidation during the welding. Leak test is required before insulation work. The work to check whether there is a leak or not in the pipeline. Blow the nitrogen into the pipe, setting the pressure at 28 kilograms more than 24 hours. If there is no change, it is normal. Keep pressure at 10 kilograms to check the leak and damage before connection to the indoor unit. After leak test, weld the end side of the pipe not to be with the foreign materials inside before connection to the indoor unit. Use the most suitable insulation materials for insulation work. Fix with the cable ties not to have any extra space in the upper and lower part of the insulation materials. Put the adhesive panel to the contact part to prevent the exposing the copper tube. Insert the PVC pipe into the insulation material which is suitable to the pipe. Insulation material for the drain pipe